After Muslims conquered Jerusalem, they built this mosque on the Jews' most holy site. And after Muslims conquered Istanbul, they transformed St. Sophia Basilica into a mega mosque. And when the Moors made Cordoba the capital of their Muslim kingdom in Spain, a Christian cathedral was turned into this, the third largest mosque complex in the world. Throughout history, Muslims have built mosques as permanent symbols of their victories. Now, some Muslims want to build a 13-story mega mosque where terrorists murdered nearly 3,000 people on 9/11. Those terrorists believe that Sharia, the brutal supremacist Islamic doctrine that is the law of Saudi Arabia and Iran, requires them to engage in holy war until we surrender. If we let them defile Ground Zero with a beachhead for Sharia, we will validate their sense of victory on 9/11 and encourage future attacks on America. No mosque at Ground Zero.